Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic, the difference or comparison of Agile versus Waterfall. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and if you are a project manager or working in any organization as a professional IT manager, I'm sure that you will definitely love to talk about or discuss about this topic. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Agile and Waterfall both are the techniques for managing the software projects. Okay, Waterfall is the traditional approach for managing projects and traditional approach. However, Agile is a new approach, and many software houses or organizations are now moving from Waterfall to Agile. So let's discuss or compare both Agile and Waterfall with each other. Friend, first of all, the Agile, what are the comparison, what are the differences between these two approach of software development or software implementation? First of all, Agile, friend, is based on a sprint. Sprint means that the 3 to 4 weeks time period in which we have to deliver the things. So it is there is a concept of sprint. However, in the waterfall, there is a concept of phases. Phases means that planning, development, testing, production, deployment. So here in Agile, there is a concept of sprint, like 3 to 4 week time period. In waterfall, we have concept of phases. Agile is a incremental approach. Incremental approach, that means that with the passage of time, things will get improved. Like it is a sprint based approach, and the incremental approach, we are developing the things, showing it to the customer, and then again improving the things. Waterfall is a method. It is a method of sequential approach. Like it is not an incremental approach. We move in a sequence. Like first we will plan, then develop, then test, and then production deployment. So here it is a concept of sequential approach. Agile is very well known for its flexibility. Flexibility means that here the concept of changes, like change in the scope and customer requirements, are more flexible. They are more, I mean to say that there is more flexibility. However, if we talk about the waterfall, so waterfall is more rigid, and we can say it is waterfall is not so much flexible as compared to the agile methodology. Agile can be considered as a collection of many different projects. That means many projects means that one sprint we can say it is a one project, then the sprint 2 is the second project. So it is considered as a combination of project. However, the waterfall, we can say it is a single project. um, Agile is quite a flexible method which allows changes to be made in the project development requirement. uh, Friend, in the Agile is more flexible to manage changes of customer. Like if customer is building a web application or website, so it is more flexible the Agile approach to accommodate his changes. However, the waterfall model is very rigid to accept the changes, and there is a very formal way to accept any change in the waterfall approach. Agile methodology is based on iterative approach. Iterative means that again the sprint concept is there, that with the passage of time we do the iterations, and then the product become stable. However, the in waterfall, the project development phases like designing, development, testing are completed once the waterfall model, like means that we do the things in the sequence manner: planning, development, testing, then deployment. There is no concept of iteration in the waterfall model. Test plan in agile is reviewed after each sprint. Okay, and here the test plan in the waterfall is rarely discussed during the test phase. This is a very big difference. In agile, development is a process in which the requirements are expected to change and evolve. Again, the concept of change is more flexible. However, in the waterfall, there is no flexibility, or the acceptability and flexibility about the changes is very low or very rigid met. That means if there is any change, it should have to be come through the change management process. In Agile, testing is performed concurrently with software development. That means that you develop the things, deliver it to the customer. If there is anything, then again develop testing. So testing and development are concurrently going in the Agile. In the waterfall, this is not the concept like we do all the development, then testing will start. So concurrency of software development and testing is not here in the waterfall approach. Agile introduces a product mindset where the software product satisfies needs of its end customer and changes itself as per the customer need. However, in the waterfall, this model shows a project mindset and places its focus completely on accomplishing the project. This is a very big difference. The agile methodology works exceptionally well with the time and material or non-fixed funding. Here, the waterfall reduces the risk in the firm fixed price contract by getting risk agreement at the beginning of the process. You know, friend, that there are two types of contract: time and material, and non-fixed non-fixed funding. So agile is better for time and material. Like for example, on hourly basis, developers are working. Like here, the fixed price contract, like the contract waterfall is better. Like for example, you can say the customer will give you $2,000 for the development of e-commerce solution. So this is a fixed price contract means preferably small but dedicated teams with a high degree of coordination and synchronization is better in the agile methodology. A team coordination and synchronization is less in the waterfall model. It's true. Product owner with team prepare requirement just about every day during a project. Here in the waterfall model, there is no concept of product owner. Here in the waterfall model, product business analyst is a person who is analyzing the requirement. Test team can take part in the requirements change without a problem. However, it is difficult for the test to initiate any change in requirement, because you all know that the change management is very rigid and strict in the waterfall model. Description of project details can be altered anytime during the development, and here in the detailed process needs to implement waterfall software development approach. Here it is not allowed. In the changes cannot be altered and accepted in the waterfall approach. The agile team members are interchangeably. As a result, they work faster. In the waterfall model, the process is always straightforward, and project manager plays an essential role during every stage of work. Here, the Scrum team is the core team who is developing the project. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.